Hello, everybody. This is me, Kinsley, and I'd like to share to you a story, or let's say, imagine yourself in an area where, let's say, you're hiking and you're going along some beautiful landscape. You see plants like these, or trees, I should say, different leaves that you usually don't see, different colors and whatnot. And it's quite amazing. You continue hiking, and then eventually you realize, wait, the scenery isn't what it's supposed to be. You look back and you see that for the past half mile, all the trees have been nothing special, and all the animals you've seen are all the same. They're even the same animals that you've seen yesterday as well, the exact same ones. Now you wonder to yourself, what can you do to do this? Well, the Morton Arboretum is combating this tree dystopia, as to say, with different kinds of threatened and endangered species that they hold. They are studying the plants there, and they are studying the families and the genus to help these endangered and threatened species to thrive so that they won't go extinct. I myself have been to the Morton Arboretum about 3 times, and I really like the place, and I really like their goal there, and they seem to be doing a very good job from what I've seen myself. So, continuing on, I would like to, let me look at the camera. I would like to keep these endangered and threatened species in our environment as to this day, and so I'm here to convince you guys why you should donate to them. Before going any further, though, let's talk about endangered and threatened species. What even are those? Well, endangered species means that they are on the danger, literally, to go into extinction, while the threatened species are on the verge of going into the endangered zone. And with that said, the Morton Arboretum holds over 90 different species of these type of plants, and along with that, they also hold astounding 222,000 living plants in their collections. This is all according to the Morton Arboretum's website as well, by the way. Also, the definitions of the endangered and threatened species also come along with the United States Geological Survey's website, which is also online. Continuing on, without the Morton Arboretum, these maintenance of these species to keep them alive, all these plants they have, all over 222,000 of them, would not be possible without any funding. So if we were to help with their research, that would be astounding, or let's say they would be very thankful for our giving, our alms. Other than that, in an interview from about 2 weeks ago of my friend, of course online, I was talking about the Morton Arboretum, and he also said that it was a very great place. He loved it, and that he would like to go again. It was very beautiful, and I believe this idea is also shared with many people that have gone to the Morton Arboretum, I should say, just to be clear. And although some people may think that the Morton Arboretum is not the best organization to send your funds to help with their research, I disagree and agree at the same time. I say that because I understand why you want to send their funds to other nonprofit organizations like Make-A-Wish Foundation or like any healthcare, cancer, you know what I mean. But this is also important as well, don't you think? The Morton Arboretum, without them or any nonprofit organizations that work with these endangered or threatened species, we wouldn't be able to have these species in the future. They would just be completely gone, and our future family would not be able to see them. Also, not to mention, we also really need oxygen to survive. So, um, other than that, some people may think that sending their money to the Morton Arboretum may just be a waste, that it doesn't really help with the research. But I also disagree with that too, because there's a lot of land out there, a lot of plants, and having just a few people isn't going to cut it. They need a lot more people. And if you volunteer there, or if you send money so that they could get some more workers, it really helps with their work. And they could provide more thorough investigations on plant species when they have more time. Um, Other than that, let's talk about some of their achievements that they have done. Back in 1997, even further, in an article published by American Nurseryman, it states that some of the most recent programs, including prairie habitats and several rare species plants, um, these names are complicated, is the genus names. The Tennessee milkvet, let's just say the common names, the lakeside daisy, and the pitcher's thistle and the Mead's milkweed. They have all researched those plants and have gotten them up. Also, along with that, there's also been biological research where they have tested different seedlings and with their alleles and stuff, and they've like made like the plants flourish with that, which is also very nice. Continuing on, now that you know the more Arboretums work and the satisfaction it can provide for the people, I would like to ask for your help. If you could please donate to them so that they could continue bringing workers out to work and get more research done and keep these endangered or threatened species alive. It would be greatly appreciated. If you look back to my story of you hiking and looking on the beautiful landscape, just imagine how much more beautiful it could be. Thank you all. Goodbye.